Uh, Before kasi, si Ma'am Vivian, sinasabi niya lang na yun nga mag-speaker ako, pero lagi ko silang tinatanggihan. But then, I think this is the perfect time na hindi ko pwedeng matanggihan sila Sir Joel, sila Ma'am Vivian. So please bear with me because this is my first time to discuss why Riway. Although before I did, that's why I told to Ma'am Vivian, pwede bang I will do testimony event na lang rather than why Riway. So, good morning everyone. Like Ma'am my parent Dong said, I was a real estate property consultant for 16 years. Yeah, so by the way, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Team Elite Pegasus, Sir Joel Gamas, Ma'am Sayuri Gamas, and my leader in Team Kaino, Ma'am Vivian and Sir Radri Bunsay, and our BB, Sir JD and Sir Jaime and Ma'am Jai. So, welcome po and thank you for the privilege to give me this opportunity to discuss why Riway. So, yun po, how I came across the Riway way back in 2019. So, a short story lang po how was my journey started. The Riway, it was introduced to me with my spiritual leader in our church, Tita Sita Camposuelo, wherein she was in Hawaii now. She told me, because she knows that herbal user po talaga ako. Lahat ng mga herbal products in the market, tinatry ko po yun, user ako. I'm not used to be a synthetic user, so yun po. When that time, she told me, sis, gamit tayo nito, it's a stem cell. Yun ang sinabi niya sa akin. And then, when I asked her, Tita, ano na naman yung product na yan? Stem cell, maganda to. And then, nung tinanong ko yung price, she told me it's 22,600 pa that time because it was 6th edition. So, nung sinabi niya yun, sabi ko, wow, it's too expensive. Ayoko gumamit ng ganyan kasi ang dami ko pang ginagamit ng mga herbal, ibang company. So, binigay niya sa akin yung 1 bottle. So as you will know, my journey started with silver account only. 1 bottle lang, para lang pagbigyan, di ba? Out of pakikisama, pinagbigyan ko siya. So nag-member ako with the silver account. And then, alam niyo ba, hindi ko ginamit yung product kasi nga mahal. So ginawa ko, para ma-dispose ko lang yung 1 bottle, tingi-tingi. Alam niyo yung ziplock na maliit, naglagay ko doon 10 capsules. Bawat ziplock na yun, nilagay ko, and then lagi ko lang dala yun sa bag ko. Kasi nga sabi ko, mahal-mahal, ayaw kong gamitin, nakakahinayang. So, ganun ang ginawa ko. And then, one time, when we have an event in our church, birthday yung isang churchmate namin, biglang yung isang kasama ko na diabetic po siya, and then 35 years na siya nag-insulin, all of a sudden, dahil nga yun, syempre, nagkakainan, biglang tumaas yung creatinine niya. And then, dilalan namin siya sa hospital. Pagdating sa hospital, 400 ang creatinine. So, usually kasi sanay na siya sa ganung niya since she was a diabetic for almost 35 years. And then, pagdating doon, naalala ko, sabi ko, teka nga pala, meron akong quarter dito sa bulsa, sis, itry mo. Sabi ko, kasi binigyan ko siya ng 10 capsules. And then sabi ko, mag-take ka ng 2 capsules. Try mo lang. Sabi ko, wala namang mawawala. So parang siya yung naging guinea pig ko that time. So nung nag-take siya ng 2 capsules, you know, ladies and gentlemen, very amazing talaga. After, I think, 1 hour, biglang nag-200 yung creatinine niya. Nagulat din ako. Sabi ko, that's good, sister. Sabi niya, so hindi na ako magpapakonfine. Uwi na lang ako. Kasi pag kinonfine siya, siyempre, mahal. And ilang days na naman siya sa hospital. So, umuwi siya, dala niya yung 10 capsules. And then kinabukasan, that was Monday morning, I remember it, she called me. And then she told me, sister, ano ba yung binigay mo sa akin? So natakot ako, baka mamaya kung ano nangyari sa kanya. But she told me, it was the first time that ang sarap ng tulog ko sa gabi. Oh, sabi ko, really? O siya, tuloy mo lang ako. Kasi bigay ni Tita Sita yan, stem cell daw yan. So, since na wala naman akong any health condition, itry mo, take mo. So, since nung naubos niya ng 10 capsules, sabi niya, bigyan mo pa ako ng 10 capsules. Sabi ko, sister, mahal yan. Sabi ko, pwede bang anuhan mo na lang? Sabi ko. So, yun. She took another 10 capsules and then gumanda yung pakiramdam pakiramdam niya. And then itong maganda, she has a friend who is a holistic living. Yung friend niya yun, it's a business owner. So that time, shinare niya yung brochure ng portier. Sabi niya, Tita Ani, try mo to, basahin mo, maganda to, stem cell daw. So binigay niya, since na si Tita Ani is holistic, so binasa niya, tinignan niya sa Google, yung kung ano yung ano ng stem cell. And then nagulat kami, one Saturday morning, sabi ni Bebet po yung ano ko, sis, punta na tayo sa bahay ni Tita Ani. Magpe-present tayo kasi interested siya. Dahil nakita niya, sinerch niya yung sa Google yung portier placenta and nasatisfied siya dun sa mga nakita niya. So, yun, 1 week pa lang po kasi ako noon, wala pa akong alam about the platform of the Riway. So sabi ko kay Ma'am Vivian, sis, punta tayo dun sa bahay ni Tita Ani. Kasi magpe-present tayo ng portier. Wala pa akong alam. So sinamahan kami ni Ma'am Vivian and ni Coach Rad. That was 9 a.m. in the morning. Punta kami sa house niya. Tita Ani is a businesswoman. She has a resort and big marketplace in Marikina. So pagpunta namin doon, so nag-present sila Ma'am Vivian, si Coach Rad. And then after that, nagulat ako. Sabi niya, okay, since na holistic kasi siya, pas patient siya ni Doc Farah. If you know Doc Farah, pagpunta mo kay Doc Farah, 150,000 ang consultation doon sa Nueva Ecija. But Doc Farah is in the US right now. So, sabi niya, holistic siya, okay na, satisfied na ako. So, I would like to purchase 1 diamond package. Nagulat ako, sabi ko, okay, 1 diamond package daw, sister. Sabi ko, paano ba to? Hindi yun, natalanta kami, bigay siya ng cash, that time, agad-agad. Sabi ko, wow, ang galing nga, amazing. So, nagbigay siya ng cash, and then ako naman, sa sobrang excitement, agad ako dito sa Riway office, dineliver ko sa kanya right there in the afternoon. Pagdating ng hapon, nung deliver namin yung product, kinabukasan, siguro natuwa rin siya kasi nga, ang bilis ng delivery namin. Pagdating ng linggo, nagbigay na naman 135,000 ulit. Sabi niya, i-purchase niyo pa ako kasi I would like to try this with my family. Kasi 10 sa family nila, cancer survivor. Seaman, mga business or so cancer survivor. So sabi niya, sige, purchase mo pa ako. And then yung time na yun, na-purchase kami, na-amaze ako, sabi ko, oh, grabe, ang ganda naman ng talaga ng Riway. So that time, yung aking membership na silver account, naging diamond agad. Because of my income, pera ng income, doon sa first investor ko. So investor yung nakuha ko on the first month. And then good thing, after that, September 2019, pagdating ng October, sabi nila Sister Vivian, Ma'am Vivian, sabi niya, sis, you're qualified to attend the leadership training seminar in Bangkok. Ha? Bakit? Kasi within the 1 month daw, nag-Diamond Master daw ako. So, hindi ko pa talaga naiintindihan yung platform, but then, nag-Diamond Master ako because of my investor. And then the following month, October, it was a very amazing experience. I joined the leadership training seminar in Bangkok, Thailand. See the amazing story. Yeah. And then after that, so yun, parang na-enjoy ko na. Sabi ko, ang ganda pala ng Riway. Hindi mo ba naiintindihan? Wala ka pang experience, wala ka pang karanasan. Pero eto, na-invite ako sa international training and I was so seeing the international event of Riway in Bangkok, Thailand. So yun, nag-start na kami i-share yung stem cell. And then after that, come on January of 2020, there's a gala dinner in Singapore naman. It's I think it's 14th anniversary of Riway International. So sabi nila, Ma'am Vivian, sis, qualified ka ulit, you are entitled to join us in Singapore Gala Dinner. Ha? Again? It's my second time to travel in Riway, this Riway. Second time, I traveled to Singapore to attend the Gala Dinner. So the rest is history. Now, I'm almost 5 years in the Riway and doing this platform. And so this is my first time, as I told you, to discuss why Riway. So why Riway? So Riway means right way. And we hope to show the right way to people of the same values. Actually, yung right way na yan, nadinig ko na yan sa isang naging client ko. He's a former congressman in Hawaii, na siya yung una ko rin na-ofera na mag-take ng 4th year. Because he's a golfer in Hawaii, he's 75 years old. And then, that word right way, I heard him one before, because I used to manage his 4 condo units in BGC for almost 6 years. And then when I offered him the Riway, I told him, Sir June, you know what? The company, I joined Riway, and the Riway means right way. So I heard it to you before that you told me, Virgie, my only principle in life is do things in a right way. Because if you do things in a right way, that principle, you will embrace that principle, and it will follow the integrity, the positivity, and the righteousness. So he told me like that. So parang na ano ko, o nga no, napaka-simple. Pero if you embrace that, it's a good thing na ano. So yun, sinabi ko sa kanya, pareho kay sir ng principle ni Mr. Lim Bunhog, do things in the right way. So that was my journey started. And then, so yun, why Riway? Another is why Riway. Actually, we know everybody knows that there's a 4 quadrant of income generation by Robert Kiyosaki, the poor dad and the rich dad. You heard it, right?
Yes.
Everybody knows the 4 quadrant. What is that? So the first one is the employee. So the employee, hindi na ako mag-ano. So the employee, as an employee, it requires credential, it requires educational background for you able to employ. Kasi pag wala kang hambawang high school graduate ka lang, so anong position ang mapapasukan mo sa company? So as an employee, you have to have the educational background. And as an employee, you are receiving a fixed salary. And then, as an employee, if something happened to them, to your family, they cannot provide anymore for your family. So that's the quadrant of an employee. And then the second quadrant, the second income generation quadrant is the business owner. So as a business owner, it's a traditional business. In traditional business, you need a big capital. And then, a lot of things to do. From securing the permit to DTI, BIR, and then you have to rent the office. So, it's very stressful. So, and one thing you must have a right knowledge for the money you invested. So, the third quadrant is the self-employed. The self-employed, they are the professionals. They are the doctors, the engineers, the architects. So, for that, for example, the doctor, he should have a clinic and he should hire a secretary, medical secretary. And as a professional, as a self-employed, it's something that cannot be done by everyone, and a lot of things you need to achieve. So, the fourth quadrant is the investors. So for the investors, any person who devotes capital to an investment in the hope that they will see a return from it. So pag investor ka, yun nga, yung mga nag-crypto, they are the investors that they're expecting a lot of returns of their money that invested. So again, that is the fourth quadrant, generational quadrant. So why Riway? Our CEO, Mr. Lim Bunhong, created the platform of Riway for us to reach for our dreams and become financial stable. So, sa Riway po kasi, there is no educational requirements. Sabi nga nila, kahit na high school graduate ka, elementary, wala kang tinapos. If you will remember our top leaders, David Yo, he is only he didn't graduate from an elementary, even elementary, he didn't graduate. But look at him now. He is the top, one of the top leaders in Riway International. So, yun po, there is no social status in Riway. Even though whoever you are, it doesn't matter. All we need to have is a correct mindset, right attitude, teachable. You should have teachable, and you should trust the process and empty our cup. So, yeah. Riway also is a problem solver. Why Riway? Riway is a problem solver. The product itself, the Portil placenta, became our savior through God's divine providence. Last year of January 2023, when my husband suffered a ruptured brain aneurysm, and he survived because of the Portil placenta. Because I'm thinking, what if I'm not doing the Riway International that time when he collapsed, and what if we don't have product that time? And what if we don't believe in the product, in Riway International? Maybe my husband joined the Creator now. But then, Riway, give us a hope. And so with that said, we continue to embrace the advocacy of Riway International to be a health advocate, to build relationship, build leaders, and so as of now, I'm still work in progress. I open myself for mentoring from all of our leaders, Sir Joel Gamas, Ma'am Vivian, the PDs. So we are because we are so grateful because we are under the strongest team in Riway International, which is the ADG team, the ADG team under the strongest team of Sir Joel Gamas, our team elite and also Joel Gamas, our team elite Pabo. And so my heart pours out also to our beloved leaders in Cairo, Ma'am Vivian Tribunsay and Sir Brad Tribunsay. For now, in Riway, I began to see clarity as a crystal clear the value of Riway. So, and then as of now, I am building my group. Because before they told me that, si Coach Shari lagi na sinasabi, sis, mag-level up ka na, huwag na tayong benta-benta lang. Kasi before, we used to have benta-benta lang, gano'n. But now they told me, you have to level up, you have to build leaders for you to be successful in Riway platform. So as of now, I'm starting to build the leaders. I have the leaders in Hawaii. Before, the congressman that I used to tell you before, he's just a user of the stem cell. He's just using it. And then for almost 5 years, he told me, Virgie, I don't want to sell it with my colleagues in yung sa golf course niya. Kasi nga ayaw niya lang matag na nagbebenta. But now, when he understood the platform of Riway, because siguro ginamit ni Lord yung time na nagkasakit yung dalawang siblings niya because of cancer. Dalawa sa kapatid niya ngayon sa Hawaii may mga cancer. And then that's the time that he understood the platform of Riway. And then we always told him, sir, we are not selling the Riway. We are the health advocate to help them to their health condition. And then we have to build leaders and yun po. So ngayon po, I'm glad to tell you that every Sunday at 12 noon here, we have a Zoom meeting with my beloved leader in Cairo, Sister Vivian Tribunsay. He's the one conducting the meeting through Zoom from Hawaii. So marami na pong nag-join sa kanila, most of them from mga PhilAm, and then may mga foreigners na. So I do hope that this will be the start of my career, and we will continue to pursue the Riway platform. So I hope that today my sharing has brought light to all your doubts in contemplating why Riway. So with that said, thank you very much for this opportunity. To God be all the glory.